Today I'm going to tell you why you need to start investing with M1 Finance. Don't go anywhere. Hey guys, what's going on? This is Drew Gallagher helping you to accelerate your life and your business. Are you looking to invest this year? Well, you should invest with M1 Finance. What is M1 Finance? M1 Finance is a robo-investing platform. M1 Finance allows you to create your own portfolio of ETFs and stocks without any commissions or trading fees. Now that is amazing. You might be wondering what's different about M1 Finance. M1 Finance stands out from its competitors by offering partial shares and auto-investing options. You can create your portfolio of stocks and ETFs from really small fractions of a share. With M1 Finance, you don't have to pay a lot to get a share anymore. That is super cool, especially if you're new at investing. Your M1 Finance account can be set up to automatically invest your cash balance. By doing this, M1 is allowed to buy whatever you're low on in order to rebalance your portfolio. Investors can build a really diverse portfolio for just as little as $100. There are already pre-built pies that you can leverage, so you don't have to start from scratch and you can trust your investment from the get-go. If you want to learn more about M1 Finance, click down below in the description. And then leave a comment below if you have any specific questions. I'd be happy to answer your questions. I'll be releasing more videos on how to use the M1 Finance app so you can get started with investing and start making some money. I hope you really enjoyed this video. Peace out. Hey, thank you so much for watching my video. I really appreciate it. If you liked the content in this video and want to see more videos like this, please click the subscribe button. Make sure to click the little bell icon and turn on all notifications so when I come out with new content, you'll be notified.